My favorite.
Hello. Where are you guys? Center Point. Okay, let's go.
I miss Philippines. Nabil.
Walang cinema?
Wala siguro dito.
Bookstore? Uy, there, I see that vlogger. But I want to saw the bookstore. I wish I could run. Mag-live ka, sis.
Ha?
Live ka.